Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. If you follow my channel, you know that I love road trips. I'm always up for an adventure, and I just love getting in the car and hitting the open road, and that's what this playlist is all about. These are all videos from when I met up with Rich Rebuilds for the second time. They're a little bit over a year old now, but I was going through my channel and I realized that these were previous live streams and they weren't automatically posted. A few people watched them at the time they were released, but I'm putting them back out there so you guys can see me fail, unfortunately. This was a really tough trip. It was crazy hot, it was long, the sun was just beating down on me the entire time. I wasn't using air conditioning because I was trying to get the best range possible, just to get out there with fewer charging stops. Yeah, it was a pain. But I am honest on this channel. I am a huge EV advocate, but sometimes you have failures like this. I definitely believe in being transparent, so with that in mind, I'm showing you this epic failure. Ironically, it is only the second time that I had some serious charging issues at the end, and both times were when I came back to see Rich. I'm not saying it's his fault, but I'm not saying it's his fault. This is the trip that also motivated me to buy a Tesla because I was just done with CHAdeMO charging stations. I'm not a fan of the JDMO for the Rav4 EV. I've just been on too many trips where I get stuck because of those two things. So because of this trip, I decided to buy my Tesla Model X, mostly because of the supercharger network. Supercharger network, of course, is awesome. But if you follow my channel, you know that my Tesla Model X ownership didn't go very well at all. So I'm very happy with the Prime that's out there behind me now. So I think I'm good for a while, knock on wood. But enjoy this playlist. I also have a second playlist that is very similar from the first time I went out there to see Rich Rebuilds. So feel free to watch these videos, and I hope you have a great day.